What's up guys, welcome to Blake's Garage and another totally tubular 2-minute tool time Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about some tools that you need to work on the rear brakes of your car. Okay guys, so what we're going to talk about is right here. This is a disc brake caliper tool set. Now you might be saying to yourself, why can't I just use one of these? Your good old trusty C-clamp. Now, the reason why is because, well, that can actually mess up your rear brake calipers. And what am I talking about? Well, for the front brake calipers, this is gonna work perfectly fine if this is all you have. With the brake caliper tool set, you're actually gonna apply the correct amount of pressure with just like a little pad like this compared to your general use C-clamp. However, this can work for your front brakes. Now on the rears, that's where it becomes a little bit tricky. You can't just kind of press in the caliper. Let me overlay some stuff for you right here. You're going to need a specialty tool. Now, what that looks like is, well, it looks like this. And you are just gonna spin this thing out here, just like this. See how it's keyed up here at the top? There are different plates in a kit like this. And on this particular kit, you would take the particular plate that you're gonna need, and it's actually a magnetic, and bada bing, bada boom, it's gonna look something like that. Then, all you have to do is use this piece here, slide it through, just like this, and you're gonna put that in the caliper. Now, while doing that, you're gonna spin the handle right here, and what it's gonna do is compress the brake caliper once you take the pad out. Now, you can see that it is keyed right here. The reason it is keyed is because it's also going to spin at the same time. Now, on particular types of cars, there is a specific type of tool that you're gonna need to use, and it's gonna be grooved or keyed like this to compress the rear calipers. If you do not use that, you are actually gonna damage the rear calipers, and you're gonna have to basically replace them because you're going to screw it up. It has a threaded piece in there, and you're most likely gonna bend that and really mess up the caliper. So this is a totally tubular 2-minute tool time tool. That's pretty dang cool. I actually rented this one from O'Reilly. You can get these from, you know, your local auto parts store. You basically put down a $50 deposit and you can get this. You will own it if you never return it. If you return it, you'll get your 50 bucks back. Now, I have a link down below in the description that definitely helps out the channel. If you guys do want to end up purchasing one of these, it has very good reviews and it's only about 20 bucks. So it's super cool because you'll have that particular tool. Never do the rear brakes on your car without the proper tool. I always want to implement just using the proper tools on my channel because, well, when you don't, you break stuff. Every once in a while you can improvise, like if you use, let's just say some needle nose pliers while compressing, sure, screwing it back in, maybe you can get by that way. But having the proper tool is just gonna speed it up, make it easy, and make it cool. That's why this is a totally tubular 2-minute tool time tool. That's what I'm saying, guys. That's what I'm saying. Alright guys, so if you like this tool, go ahead and drop down, give it a like, subscribe if you have not. Every week I try to come up with new tools that are totally cool. So thanks a lot for watching guys. We'll talk to you soon. Later and wrench on.